dear students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We completed our English. So today we have World and I also, right?
Yes.
So we will move on to the World and I subject.
Yes.
So please take out your the World and I book, children. Yes. Till when we have been completed? Yes. Lesson 8. I feel what you feel. Yes, the feel completed. Now we will move to the 9th lesson, that is expecting everything. Okay, the 9th lesson, expecting everything. We will accept everything, no? Everyone, right? Expecting everyone. We are expecting everyone, right? Yes. So we all are different from each other, right? Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Even in our family also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Each family members looks different and can do different things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Your brother is maybe very dull. You are very intelligent. You just think,
Yes, ma'am.
right? There is a difference in your brother and yourself, right? Yes, there is a difference even in your family also. Okay? Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the next. And can do different things also. Yes, we can do different things also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the fun of life. We are all different, but we still fit well together, right? Yes, we are. That is the fun life. Everybody is a different. Nobody is same. We all are different. We still fit and well together, right? Yes. Then see here. We fit well. Here to see. We fit well. Can you see the picture here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what it is? It is the faces, right? And the names also, they have given that person name also. Okay. And their character also. See, smart. Shreya. First one is Shreya face. Okay. Yes, that is smart. Okay. Then happy. Happy faces Mohit. Okay. Then brown hair. Nurain. Nurain is brown hair. Confused. Suchi. Suchi always confused. Okay. Then Rumjum. Rumjum is what? Plan. Plan. She have a plan. Okay. Always she will be planning in a new things. Next is Radha. Radha is a beauty girl. Then Vedika. Vedika is smart girl. Okay. Next we have Joy. Joy is a exciter, right? Excitement. Yes. Then Rahim is boy does dance. He is a dancer. He is good in dance. Kamala from North India. Yes. Then Vasu. He is a what? Vasu is a Muslim. Huh? See, they have given here Muslim. Okay. Then next is Puhumi. Okay, Puhumi is a light skin. She has a light skin. Then Riya is artist. Then Fatima, Hindu. Okay, Muhammad lives in mountain. Then Sadhana is Siritau. Okay. Then turn next page. Let us do a fun activity. Form groups of 5. You have to form a group of 5. Take a piece of blank paper. Blank paper means empty paper. Okay, nothing should be written. Each member of the group will come forward and tear a piece of that paper with their hands. Tearing the piece of the paper. Once you have your paper, draw on your face on it. Your face you have to draw. After tearing on, you will get your paper, no? When you are getting your paper, then you have to draw it on your face. You can use any color you want. Add one word that describes you best. Which describes you best, no? That you should write it. Okay. So here also the same thing only they have done. Okay. See, actually Fatima is not a Hindu, but she looks like Hindu. That's why they have written up Hindu. When I got confused, what is this Fatima, how she can be Hindu. Like that also I thought. But now it is describing that person how she looks. Understand? Like that only you also. You can also write up your face, draw your face, and you can write what is fitting for you, what describes you, that you can write. Then once everyone has finished drawing, place your papers on the table, fit them together in the same way you solve a jigsaw puzzle. See, here also they have been tear the paper, then they have been joined it. You can also do that. Okay, you can also do that game. Okay, once we will do in our class. Okay, then all the pictures fit perfectly fine, don't they? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see how it is fitting perfectly, right? Yes.
Like a puzzle, ma'am.
Yes, like a puzzle. That only they are telling zigzag puzzle. Okay? Isn't it? We all are different yet we fit together perfectly to make it beautiful world. Right? When we are putting everything together now, when we are puzzling it together now, we will form a beautiful world. Understood? We are also like that only. If only one person will sit in the class, it look good, huh?
No.
All the kids are together only, it looks good, no? The same way only, even this puzzle also. Okay? Yes. Now read the sceneries, tick the one in which people accept each other. You have to tick. I'll read, listen carefully. Tina and Tulsi belong to different communities. Their houses are next to each other's. They celebrate all their festivals together by sharing food and gifts. Tell me, Tina and Tulsi are different caste they are. But then too, whatever the festivals they are celebrating, you know, they will exchange their gift, food and all. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It is acceptable, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is acceptable. So take it. Next, the children from the big building see a thin little boy wearing torn clothes. He begs at the bus stop with his mother. They don't have money. Don't go near him. He stinks, shouts one of the children at the bus stop. The others laugh.
Wrong.
This is not the correct thing. You have to put wrong. Because he is a poor boy, he is a beggar and all. But we should try to help them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we should try to help them instead of shouting on them and telling others not to go there, don't touch that and all. Instead of telling that, no, at least we can help them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is not good, so wrong. Okay, then next, turn the page number 29. Think, feel and share. Are your friends and neighbors different from you? Write and bring. That is your homework. Okay. Does it matter if we are different from each other? That also you will write and bring. Let us make this world a better place by trying to love and accept people that the way they are. That is their way. Then too we have to accept them. We should not avoid them. Okay, we should give a love to them. We have to be in a good way. Okay, we should help them instead of shouting them. Understand, children? That is their problem, right? We at least how much you can, you will help them. That is the true thing which you are doing, right? Is that helping nature should be in each and every person. Okay? That on, then only our world will be very beautiful, right? Yes. So this is the lesson which we have been completed. You have to accept the people how they are. You should not say that she is looking very dirty, why I should go near her. She looks very ugly. Black she is. I will not make friendship with her. That and all you should not do.
That is bad, ma'am.
That is their by nature only they are like that, black only. So what we can do?
Yes, ma'am.
So nothing. Then too they are also like us only, no? They are also like us. We should not avoid them. We have to accept them. Understood? That is the lesson. Yes, that is the lesson. You understood, right? Yes. So hereafter you will also follow these things. Okay? Yes, then we will end up the class till here. Okay? Please do the homework, page number 29 and send it to the group for correction. We will meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye.